we are three brothers, and my mother essentially picked the one son who is least likely to cause an LPG explosion in the kitchen and taught me how to cook. And then I was living in the US for 7 years and I learned a lot more. Most of the food we eat is indigestible unless it is cooked. So it cannot be raw because we are not cows, and cows have these tremendously strong enzymes that break down food, and by the way, they take like 4 days to digest their food. We need to therefore apply a second technique. For that, I want to ask our chef to put this bit of flattened dough, again the same dough, into some hot oil in a kadhai. Can you see what's happening?
It's turning into a puri.
You see all those bubbles? That's water vapor escaping.
I love puris.
Look at the way it's
I definitely feel like eating that. But that's brilliant.
Yeah. So the same thing happened, except this time the hot oil transferred heat from all directions. Right? Between 140 and 165 Celsius, foods that have both sugars and proteins, they combine and they produce the most spectacular range of aromas and give that brown color. Taste, aroma, sight, mouthfeel, and sound.
All our senses.
Exactly. Taste is a multi-sensory experience.